Hello, and welcome to the QuickBooks Product Range How to Recommend webinar. The purpose of this webinar is to help you understand each of the various QuickBooks products on offer. By understanding your client's business and the various QuickBooks products, you will be able to offer them a tailored solution for their accounting requirements. There are many key advantages and benefits to each of the products we'll look at today. These include saving time, money, and helping business owners to manage their cash flow easily and simply. Please note, we'll not be referencing pricing during this webinar. To learn more about current prices, please go to www.quickbooks.co.uk or call your QuickBooks sales representative, and don't forget about your Pro Advisor discount. At the end of this webinar, you'll be able to understand the QuickBooks product lineup, factor in your client's individual needs, and be able to confidently recommend a solution that will make your clients happy. There is also a user guide to accompany this webinar. This is a great support guide for you and your staff to refer to following this webinar. How to recommend the right products to your clients. Clients don't always know what they need in terms of software. They do know that they need to print receipts for customers or invoice them and keep a track of which customers owe them money. Therefore, by simplifying this process for them and asking them what they need each day to run their business, you'll be able to get your clients onto the right solution for their business. This is critical for them and for you. You'll first want to do a needs analysis with your clients. Remember, each client is different, and your relationship with each client may differ as well. Therefore, you should think about the following questions to help identify their industry and business needs for software and consulting services. Ask your client, what are their daily accounting tasks? What do they need that they cannot get from their current accounting system? What accounting skills do they have? What reports do they generate currently? What reports do they need but do not currently generate? Do they have accounting experience or assistance from somebody who does? Do multiple users need access to the data? And what is on their wish list? Ask yourself, what condition are their records in today? Do they have time to commit to their books? Do they have financial knowledge sufficient to know if things are done correctly or not? Do they have specialized needs which may require an integrated solution? Are they a rapidly growing business? Once you know your client's needs and their capabilities, you can help them choose which product is right for them. QuickBooks is designed to deliver the most efficient and effective accounting solution for both you and your clients. It makes it easy for small businesses to manage their finances and provides accounting professionals like you with the tools you need to work with and support your clients. QuickBooks provides an online and desktop product range. Let's have a look at the QuickBooks Online product range that you might recommend to a new client. QuickBooks Online offers instant access to your company's accounts from any PC, Mac, or web-enabled mobile phone, giving clients the flexibility to manage their accounts anytime, anywhere. Although QuickBooks Online does provide a great deal of flexibility, it's important to understand the differences between desktop and online editions, as some business owners may require some of the functionality that is not currently available in QuickBooks Online. An example of this is payroll. So, the typical clients you would recommend for QuickBooks Online product range would be as follows. Small businesses seeking the freedom to access their finances from any internet-connected PC or Mac. Businesses with a need for 24/7 access from remote locations. Clients with no employees or who track their payroll using a different system. Small businesses that have no requirement for stock control. businesses who have no need to track or who track their time using a different system. Let's now have a look at the online product range. When discussing the online product range, we're going to be using an example business to demonstrate how the requirements of the product range will be suitable. For this example, we have a new business owner who is an architect. When he started out with his business, he may have been doing the drawing, paying bills, and invoicing customers all on his own, or perhaps with the help of family. As his business has grown, so has the need to automate the accounting so that he can do more drawing. But he's still not big enough to have to hire additional help. Like many new small businesses, they do not go into business to manage the finances, but to manage the business. As an accountant, however, you know that to stay in business, they must do some basic financial management. Let's see how QuickBooks Online Simple Start can help with this task. So, how is QuickBooks Online Simple Start a solution for our architect? QuickBooks Online Simple Start is designed best for startups, freelancers, and home businesses that do not track VAT. Using QuickBooks Online Simple Start, our architect will be able to have one user access. As you can see from my screen, I have opened up my web browser and logged in. Our architect can also give their accountant free access to their online company accounts. This allows the accountant to check the figures without affecting the access for the client. Our client can also track sales, expenses, and profit. As you can see from the main homepage of QuickBooks Online Simple Start, our architect will be able to create professional invoices and sales receipts or record expenses using Write Checks. Let's now take a look at how easy it is to create a customer invoice using QuickBooks Online Simple Start. From this main homepage, I can simply click on Create Invoice. Alternatively, I could hover over the Customer menu and select New Invoice. Begin by selecting the customer whom you wish to invoice. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can choose the date and your payment terms. We will now choose the product or service we are invoicing for. Using our architect as an example, I'm going to invoice the client for a drawing that I've completed for a kitchen design. Once a description and price has been recorded, I can then send the invoice to that client either by clicking Print, or I can send it by way of email by using the Send button. Please note that if I send the invoice by email, QuickBooks will automatically convert it into PDF format for me. I will now return to the main home page. The main homepage will also show the architect a financial snapshot of their business, such as their account balances, and track their income and expenses over a 12-month period. This will make it easier to monitor the day-to-day running of the business. Once they've been tracking what's going in and out of their business, they can track their cash flow with 14 key financial reports. These reports are automatically generated and show us the key important information about our clients' businesses. These reports can be accessed by selecting Reports, followed by Report List. Let's go back to the example of our architect. Business has been good and his accounting needs have grown. He needs to complete estimates, management of supplier bills, manage VAT, and have access to more financial reports. These features are not available in QuickBooks Online Simple Start. Therefore, our architect will be able to take advantage of the more advanced functions of QuickBooks Online Essentials. Let's see how QuickBooks Online Essentials can help with this task. So, how is QuickBooks Online Essentials a solution for the architect? QuickBooks Online Essentials offers everything in QuickBooks Online Simple Start